Hi everybody, it's your first lady, Shelly Xpressionz, aka Bubbles, from the Big Bad YouTube series, The Bartender. I'm inviting you to join us on our Sunday Night Live on Xpressionz JA channel at 8 p.m. where we do reviews and interviews with your favorite personalities. So, make it a date and don't be late. Right here at Incognito Vacation Stay, live on our Xpressionz JA's YouTube channel.
Don't make this respond and make you feel guilty. You know what I mean? You did the best you could. And yeah, but me understand. Trust me, babes. So, what going with the father?
Well, him did it. Spaced out like I wonder what just happened.
Once again, I can tell you. We know him I go through, but him gonna need a whole heap of counseling, especially if somebody will witness this.
Of course, him a gonna need counseling. Because if him ever buckle up all of that inside of him a gonna be the next suicide victim.
For real. Or him could become somebody will play out certain things and next thing you know him become another violent person from my hands. But and I really that's still why I come by. I come to tell you I show about for a few days. You gotta use that little matter, you know?
What kind of matter? Personal or agency?
Agency.
Oh. So what go on?
Well, Father Mullins decides, sir, him get some information on the overseas thing. You know, with the drug and gun running and the human trafficking, of course. So, I make a move and see if I can find the spot where all of this will take place and come back with some results.
And you alone a go?
Angie, remember, no matter where you say I go on yourself, we is not my style, especially when it comes to work. Yes, I'm me alone I go.
Just please be careful.
Yeah, man. Plus, me hear about an next spot where some of them girls that might be, you know, kidnapped and hidden away. But when we come back, we deal with that and update you.
Update me? You just try no say you alone a do that one day.
Angie, me not really want you up on them apps there, you understand?
Hello, Raymond. You're not talking to a rookie. I've been out there.
Yes, but it's only like one time gone. Remember say, you have man now.
I'm glad you said that. I remember say you have woman now.
Alright, moms.
You're not stuck with that.
Then, you know my moms.
Alright then.
Anyway, still. So, we are for the rest of the day.
May I check on the young lady up at top hill?
Okay. You know what? I'm gonna roll with you.
Raymond,
Because-
listen. I'm not interrogate the child. So I don't want you to come here and intimidate the little girl. Tony and have some assignment to come up where the two of them, she a groomer for one dance thing. So make a check to see how far she reach.
Oh, so wanna put her in the clear now?
No, not really.
Well, me come along and just watch what go on. Tell you what, I will play the bad cop and you play the good cop.
Not a bad cop, good cop, nothing. We are going to use persuasive skills to get the information we need from the young lady. Me no want you to come here and intimidate the child.
Okay. I promise I'll be good.